Welcome to the course of Autodesk Advanced Steel 2020. After opening the program, what is the country settings and configurations? Set the current country styles and configurations used in your projects, such as drawing styles, preferred profiles, templates. Select content, United States, International, UK, or Australia. United States, so the styles and configurations, drawing styles, profiles, and templates of United States. In this course, choose International. Don't show this again on Startup. If you want to show again, just remove. OK. Recent documents, recent files of Autodesk Advanced Steel if you have. Get started. Start drawing. Templates. There are many templates. Metric template and Imperial. Open files. Open a sheet set and explore sample drawings. To create a new project, just click Metric template, AS template, click. Autodesk Advanced Steel 2020 Drawing 1. Home, Project Explorer, Draw, Line, Polyline, Objects, to draw, the column, the beam, Extended Modeling, Checking, Documents, Settings, Layers, and View. Objects, Grid, Beams, Other Objects, Concrete Elements, Grating, Plates, Connections. Extended Modeling, Structural Elements, like frame, truss, bracing, stair, connection, checking, nodes, modeling, and other. Output, numbering, part marks, document manager, documents, lists. View, viewport tools, view cube, navigation bar, view manager, viewport configuration, visual styles, interface, palettes, labels and dimensions, management, labels, parametric dimensions, parametric views, callout view and cut view, text, dimensions. Export and import, Revit, Navisworks, import PDF. Tools, management tools, the settings, clipboard, properties, customizations, applications, render, animation, render to size, light, sun and locations, materials, collaborate, plugins, and apps. Minimize two panel buttons. Click, Home, Draw, Objects. OK. Minimize again. Home, Draw. Choose. OK. Minimize again. Click on Home, Objects. OK. Show when you click. Click. OK. Minimize again. OK. Click on A. New project. Open. Save. Save as. Import. Export. Publish. Print. Drawing. And close. Recent documents, access date, size, type, small icons, large, small, large. Click, new, open, save, save as, plot, undo, redo, customize a quick access toolbar. This quick access toolbar, new, open, save, save as. You can add layer, okay, and remove, open, render, more comments, show menu bar, file window help, hide menu bar, show below the ribbon here, okay, below, show above, and you can add anything, okay. Start drawing 1 like AutoCAD, and below model layout 1, layout 2, view cube, workspace switching, you can change advanced style, drafting and annotation like AutoCAD, okay, drafting and annotation, 3D basics, extrude, sweep, visualize, 3D modeling, all tools, okay, or advanced style. In this course, advanced style.